Mastering prepositions in English. Let's begin mastering prepositions in English grammar. Prepositions are vital for sentence clarity and flow. They help express relationships of time, place, direction, and more. In this lesson, we'll cover key rules, types, and common usage. Let's build perfect grammar with accurate prepositions every time. What are prepositions? Let's understand what prepositions really are. They are words that link nouns or pronouns to other words in a sentence. Prepositions indicate place, time, direction, cause, or method. Examples include in, on, at, by, with, between, for, and during. They give structure and clarity to our communication. Simple prepositions. Let's begin with simple prepositions. These are short, single-word forms used every day. They describe time, location, direction, and relationships. Examples: on, in, by, to, under, over. For instance, he sat on the chair. Or they arrived at 5 p.m. Participial prepositions. Let's move on to participial prepositions. These are formed from participles but function like prepositions. Common examples include concerning, regarding, considering, and notwithstanding. They often show cause, exception, or reference. They are useful in formal and academic writing. Phrase prepositions. Let's explore phrase prepositions. These are combinations of words that act as a single preposition. They typically follow this structure: preposition plus noun plus preposition. Examples include in spite of, instead of, by means of, and in front of. These are also called group or compound prepositions. Double prepositions. Let's understand double prepositions. They're formed by combining two simple prepositions. Used when a single preposition isn't enough to convey meaning. Examples include into, onto, out of, from beneath, and from among. These are helpful in describing layered relationships. Prepositions of time. Let's talk about prepositions of time. Use in for months, years, and parts of the day, like in 1995. Use at for specific times and holidays, like at 5 p.m. or at Diwali. Use by to show a deadline, as in by tomorrow. Example: he left at midnight. Prepositions of place. Let's look at prepositions of place. Use in for large or enclosed spaces, like in a room or in India. Use at for specific points or addresses, like at school or at 7/B Oak Street. Use on for surfaces, like on the table or on the wall. For example, she lives in New York. Travel and movement prepositions. Let's explore prepositions used for travel and movement. Use from, to when showing a transition or journey. Use by to refer to modes of transport, by train, by car. For example, they traveled from Delhi to Agra by car. These prepositions help describe how and where people move. Prepositions with specific verbs. Let's review verbs that don't take prepositions. Some verbs are wrongly paired with extra prepositions in speech. Words like reach, resemble, obey, and inform don't need one. Incorrect: he reached at the office. Correct: he reached the office. Always learn the correct verb-preposition pairing. Rules with time expressions. Let's finalize with time expression rules. Use in for morning, afternoon, or evening. Use at for night, noon, dawn, or midnight. No preposition is used with last or next. Example: he left in the morning, and she came at midnight. Let's wrap up our lesson with a quick thank you. We've explored all the major types of prepositions and their uses. From time and place to travel and structure, prepositions are essential. Keep practicing them in real-life sentences to improve fluency. Thank you, and visit us at hegsdc.com to continue learning.